Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Tonight in today's video is going to be about me running my 1999's Hoover WindTunnel Self-Propelled Ultra upright vacuum cleaner, but it still works. It still picks up. It still works. You guys, I have to tell you this, you guys. The adjustments needed to be straightened. The kickstand adjustment needs to be fixed. And I'm looking forward to go buy new parts for it, and I'm looking forward to do that in the future. And first of all, you guys, I wanted everybody to make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you want to see, and also I'm looking forward to get back into the vacuum cleaner community. And I'm looking forward to do more vacuum cleaner videos. Yes. Also, you guys, I really decided to use this vacuum, and I'm looking forward to look for a black one. It's a turbo power one from 1999. I'm looking for the black Hoover WindTunnel Self-Propelled Turbo Power. 75,000, and the Supreme brand was made in the year by 99. I do have a green Hoover WindTunnel Self-Propelled Ultra because I used to own a premium, you guys. I really love this machine. It's a really good machine to use. And I love this vacuum, and I love that vacuum cleaner. I really do. Also, you guys, I want to make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. I'll see you for the next video. Bye! That's all, folks.